Dan Bazzani here, and I just want to share a quick project with you. I'm making this a blanket to spray my fence to protect my neighbor's fence and yard, so I don't overspray into their place. So what I did was I folded the moving blanket over into here, and then what I did was I'm putting a screw with a washer on this side. I'm going to do that all the way down the line, and then hopefully that will hold the blanket, and then I can clamp it to the top of the fence. So yeah, I'm going to put it together and see if it worked. I tried pre-drilling the hole, but it got bits all over my drill bit, and I don't know that I like that. So give me just a second. I'm going to finish this up and then I'll come back. Okay, definitely pre-drill the hole because I just put one in, ripped the fabric a lot more, and it also started to make a cracking sound of the wood. So since this is a 1/2 by or 3/4 by 1 inch, make sure you pre-drill the holes. All right, peace. Okay, see here, this is the one I did not pre-drill. This is the one I did pre-drill, way better. And as you can see, I'm putting a washer behind each sheetrock screw. All right, hope that's helpful. Okay, so it's got the 1 by 3/4 running through the edges. There's 10 screws. Actually, this one has 11, but that one has 10. I think that's pretty good. I don't think it needs more than that, but we'll see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it up just like this. Here, I'll make this a little wider. Roll it up, okay? And then I'm going to kind of hang it behind the fence on the other side and then clip it to the top. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's clipped on there. And then okay, I think that's it. That's seems to work, right? I think I'm probably going to use 2 clips when I do it. But yeah, it seemed to work really well. Here's what it looks all rolled up. And just got to go talk to all my neighbors real quick and let them know what I'm going to try and do. And I don't know, I'm going to try and keep the spray down by doing that. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. You know, I got a lot of fence to do here, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think, or if I could improve this design a bit. All I did was, if you look, all I did was I wrapped it around the edge. Let me bring this guy a bit. Yeah, I wrapped it around the edge and then screwed it in, so the end of it is underneath here, going all the way down. So yeah, hope that's helpful. Take it easy. Peace.